Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tactical Black Guy here, also known as Preston. I appreciate you guys joining me for another video. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Ruger Security-9. I picked this gun up at Academy Sports and the price on it was $288. You can typically find these for about $250 to $350 depending on where you shop. So it does come with all the paperwork. Get a lock. You get two 15-round magazines, and then of course the gun itself. This is a cardboard box. Let me just show you how it looks on the front and back. So this is the back and this is the front. So I've heard a lot of good things and a lot of bad things about this gun. I've had about 300 rounds put through it so far, and I've had no issues as of yet. In the full review, I'll go over some of the things I like and dislike about the gun. But let's run down the specs really quick. As I stated, you have two 15-round magazines, which will allow you a total capacity of 16 rounds if you choose to carry one in the chamber. The barrel length. You got a barrel length of 4 inches and an overall length of 7.24 inches. You got some drift adjustable sights. And the weight on this is 23.8 ounces. The grip frame is high performance glass filled nylon. The slide is steel. And the finish is blued. Now it does come in several different colors and several different configurations. If you check the website, they've got this thing with a light on it. They've got different colors and things like that. So you can get it in other than this color. The slide width is 1.02 inches. The height is 5 inches. And that's basically in terms of the specs. This MSRP on this gun is $379. I think I stated earlier I spent $288 on this gun. It does come with an external safety, and sometimes that safety is hard to push up. Like right now I can't even get it up, but yeah, it is hard to get that safety up. That's one of the things I noticed about this gun. Everything else in terms of controls are pretty good. It also has a nice little trigger with that little trigger safety on it as well. So guys, that was it. Quick unboxing. Ruger Security-9. We'll talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly in my upcoming full review. I'm Tactical Black Guy, and I'm out. Peace.